Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Mibro Air smartwatch. In today's video we will see what we have in the box, what we have in the software like always. We will run some tests and see how these function will work like, and in the end we will have a conclusion if this watch is worth to buy or not. In the next video we will show you how to connect it with Android and iOS. So if you're interested to see all of these videos, hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you get notified when we post, and let's go ahead start with unboxing. The Mibro Air smartwatch has 1.28-inch screen, very good resolution, 200 mAh battery, magnetic charger. As you can see in the side we have here a couple of things that we will see in this watch. All day heart rate, 25 days battery, etc. We have water and dust proof IP68. In the back a couple of more information. And as you can see, very good package, and the first impression is very good. You can see the watch itself in the first place. Good package, as I said before. It's protected in all the sides. We have the charger and the user manual. The charger is very small, as you can see. That is what I like. And the user manual in different languages so we can all understand it. This is all that we have in the Mibro Air. We don't have anything here underneath the package. This is just more protection so it doesn't get damaged while it's shipping. As I said, it's very lightweight. The Mibro Air is very light. I noticed that when I first touched it. It's very small, thin, and very good design overall. You can see now that it's turned on, we have the first view of the screen. Very good color and resolution. Press and hold to change the faces like always, or you can do it later. In the settings we have here the brightness. As you can see now it's all the way up, very good brightness and very clear to see. We have some shortcuts like do not disturb, settings, and other stuff. These are the options that we have in the Mibro Air. Also we can customize our faces, and we will see that in the how to connect video as well. As we can see right here, this is one of my favorite face in the Mibro Air. It's very simple and it goes with the theme of the watch. We have do not disturb, silent, find phone, shutdown, and the percentage of battery. Down we have the messages. In the right we have the menu, as you can see, starting from do not disturb. We have timer, find phone, sleep, weather, stopwatch, do not disturb as we saw, messages, data, sport, camera, heart rate, music control, settings, timer again, and this is all the options that we have in the menu. You click in the middle to go in that place that you want. As you can see, we have off time, raise to wake, about watch, pair phone, and restart, shutdown, and factory reset down below. This is the settings of the Mibro Air. In the right side we don't have anything else other than the menu. In the left side we have here some data that we did throughout the day, weather, heart rate, plus we can add more stuff here if we want. So this is the main options that we have in the Mibro Air. Other than that we don't have anything else. So let's begin with some tests, see what we got here. Let's start with heart rate, which is one of the most useful thing here. We have the first result, as you can see, highest and lowest. Also some statistic down below like we saw. This is the final result. As you can see, the measurements just stopped. We are now at the sports, where we can find outdoor run, indoor run, walking, football, badminton, tennis, cycling, alpinism, basketball, elliptical machine, yoga, and free training down below. These are all the options for sport. Outdoor running is the first option. Let's try one of here. Let's try walking. You can see you can customize the options here, and you can go, for example, just for a few miles, or customize other things like time and burn calories. or you can just go press and go with default options. As you can see, we have the time at the top, seconds going, blood pressure, burn calories, kilometer, and steps. This is the first page. We don't have any other page other than in the left we can pause or end this session. Useful things to see, not too many, but I would say enough. So only these two options, we don't have blood pressure or blood oxygen in this watch. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.